Summer is the time for projects. Professional contractors and do-it-yourselfers are so busy painting, installing, cleaning, and more. And what you need to get the job done is you need a ladder. And this is available at Lowe's stores in Salt Lake City. It's called the Xtend+Climb ladder. Here to tell us more about this must-have tool for projects is Kathryn, Emery, a 20-year home improvement and lifestyle expert. Hi, Kathryn. I suggest don't do it in heels, though.
Carrie, I mean, I'm not in heels. See, I got my ladder. I'm ready to rock and roll with this segment, girl. You know, we were talking before it started, right? We're talking about ladders, but ladders are so important. Think about how many times you use them throughout the year, holidays, all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna set people up with the right ladder today.
Yes, girl. Okay, why should we head to Salt Lake City Lowe's stores for this must-have ladder for all of our projects?
Okay, such a great question. So ladders with telescoping technology are the safest to own and the most convenient because they extend by the foot and they can collapse down for easy storage. So like you said, go to Lowe's in Salt Lake City because the safest telescoping ladder is the Xtend+Climb, and it's there in those Salt Lake City stores. So it can extend up to 12.5 feet with a 16.5-foot reach. So just think about that for a minute. You're gonna get pretty high up there safely, but then when you're done with it, it collapses down to 36 inches for storage. So think about putting it in your garage. If you're a contractor and you have to carry and you have to move this thing from job to job, you can put it in the back of your car. I love it because it locks by the foot for smaller jobs. So, you know, if you just want to get something on the second story, or, you know, you just don't have to go that high, but each foot, it goes up to 60. You can reach up to 16.5. But if you only need it for 2, 5, 10, you still have that capability. It has this patented locking visual indicators. So it shows when it's locked or ready to be collapsed, which basically means you're going to be safe when you're climbing and you're not going to slam it in your fingers when you have to retract it down. And that 36 inches, like I said, Carrie, it's easy for storage, for transportation to the job site. Regular ladders are bulky. So this Xtend+Climb telescoping ladder is easy to lift, carry around the house. See, I'm doing it right here. So, you know, cruising over to see you at the Lowe's stores. So, good stuff.
Well, and we have two here, Kathryn. So we're showing both versions. The tall when it's extended. I can't believe the range, and it's so easy. I mean, all you do is just lift it, just like that.
Right? Isn't it
like
amazing?
super easy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. Okay, Kathryn. Is this ladder for homeowners or professional contractors?
I am so glad you asked that. Now, this is a professional grade ladder because it's airplane grade aluminum alloy. It's double over molded feet. What that means is the feet, or the durability and the traction on the actual base, the feet of the ladder are so strong it can hold up to 300 pounds. But the fact that it can extend just foot by foot means you really can, as a homeowner, have the benefits for these smaller jobs around the house. But that height, durability, and portability are great for professional contractors, painters, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, because you have a great ladder, but it's also easy for transportation. And I love those easy to extend rungs because you can get, you know, with the safety closure. So I'm not going to slam it in my fingers if I'm doing, like, you know, cleaning my windows, or if I'm cleaning out my gutters for the fall, if I'm hanging Christmas lights, whatever I want to do around the house as well. So
you're making it so easy, and we're making sure everybody's safe, most importantly. Okay, and you can get it at the website on your screen, of course, your Salt Lake City Lowe's stores. Kathryn, great to see you, and thanks for this awesome product.
Thanks, Carrie. Thanks for having me.
And coming up, it can be so